University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM, lyngba katanat Training and Placement Division, jong Skulbah, haka arpau tarik Nailur, Pynlong program Kaaryam 1.0 National Level HR Conclave, balawan ban shiminta di nongïalam bapawnam, riew shemphang haka katanat Human Resource, but Samla pule ha Central Auditorium, jong Skulbah. Yakini ka jingïalang ka bishisngi, halor ka phang ka jingïa shemphang ha kalaway, ka jingkiw ha ka kam technology, but ka jingpenne pensa ela ka korshor, ha ka balayo banyamir jingmut bat samni ka jingtip ha kani ka program. Kiriw kamat ki bakantup yu Bidhan Baruah, co-founder and COO jong ka Taza INC, u Kaushik Deka, executive editor India Today magazine and editor India Today Northeast, Professor G D Sharma, Vice Chancellor USTM, Dr R K Sharma, Advisor USTM, but kiwe. Layatay ru halor ka jinglong jingman but jingkala technical but non-technical, ban pen kre but ban pen mi nongïalam ki start lyngba ka jingïalang hakiliang baro.
In November 2021, the university achieved a significant milestone.
Deepa Jyoti Param Jyoti.
Our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Bidhan Baruah, who is the co-founder, the challenges and opportunities facing our industry today.
How you can make this knowledge as per the need of business. As we see now, Industry 4 is developing very fast. From mechanical energy taking part into electrical, electronic, and now digital center of training and placement, as per the vision of our Honorable Chancellor, that any new ideas which can be brought into our education system.
When we talk about sustainability, there are three pillars. One is economic, environmental, and social aspect. And informally, we can say profit, planet, and people. Economic is profit, environmental is planet, and social aspect is people. Now, that particular bot reads everything from HR policies and all those things. Then he can talk to the bot like, how can I take a CL?
About artificial intelligence, I don't know much. I use some of it whenever possible. I don't think journalism can be done with artificial intelligence. And I have a very basic question. Means AI will keep doing our work, and when the last person is made irrelevant, what will happen then? So everybody's job taken away by AI. And when the last person job is over, who would develop AI after that? So I believe I'll get that answer from the technical people here. But I'll leave you with a story. How we react to things. It's I don't know whether it was about Emperor Akbar or someone else, but I will use it for Akbar. So he had a big court, and he had a person called Birbal who was a court jester or a very smart, intelligent person. So there was a discussion one day going on. The setting looks like, have you been to Lal Killa or Fatehpur Sikri? That Diwane Khas, Diwane Aam, it's like the emperor holding court. It's very uncomfortable for me.
Because all these acquisitions or the turnover which are happening in the companies, because HR people are not.
Actually, you have put it very rightly, the enabler instead of replacer, and it will add to the efficiency. I'll come to Anik.
When you think about intelligence, it has two components. One is the HI component, which is human intelligence, and the other part is
then the AI will react to certain emotions. At the moment, probably it is restricted to emoticons.
Platforms like ChatGPT or image production by Adobe or few.
Summed up to create a product which is a machine learned AI or a particular program. People who are stalwarts in that particular field, either online or offline.
So without doing that, I think now the AI products are not coming in the market. Security is like the main concern. We understand.